Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this keto green bean casserole. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. I've got a delicious green bean casserole for you today, just in time for the holidays. I'm going to start off by adding about a tablespoon of avocado oil to this skillet and a half a cup of onion, already diced onion. Got our skillet about medium heat. We just want to cook these until they're soft. It's going to be about 5 minutes. I use frozen onions so they don't take as long to get soft. Okay, our onions are looking good. I'm going to add in 8 ounces of already chopped mushrooms. We actually blend these in a little food processor to get them nice and minced. But you could use a knife. So we're going to continue to cook these for about 5 more minutes. Okay, these mushrooms are looking good, nice and soft. I'm going to add a cup of heavy cream. Essentially, we're making a homemade cream of mushroom soup for our green bean casserole. And then I've got some chicken concentrate, like chicken broth concentrate, I'm going to add in here. You could also use a cube of bouillon. We're going to combine this. I'm going to bring it up to a simmer, let it reduce a little bit. Okay, this looks good. I'm going to set this aside. I've got some green beans here. So we've got some options for green beans, and you can do whatever you want. You can do frozen green beans, you can do fresh green beans that you steam and like blanch. These are canned green beans. I'm from the South. I am accustomed to canned green beans. That's what I like. So that's what we're going to use today. We've got 3 cans here that we've drained. And now we're going to add the mushroom sauce to the green beans. Okay, let's stir this all up. I'm going to season it with a little bit of salt. And some pepper. Okay, I've got a greased 9x9 casserole dish here. I'm going to pour the green bean mixture in. Spread it out into a single layer. Make sure all the green beans are nice and saucy. So now we're going to make a topping. We've got half a cup of almond flour. We're going to add in 1/4 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup of sliced almonds, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Mix this all up. Makes this a really, really flavorful crumb topping. Okay, we're going to sprinkle this on top of our casserole. Okay, this is ready for the oven. It's going to bake in a 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes. Okay, our green bean casserole is out of the oven. It looks fantastic. We did 30 minutes and then we did put it on broil for just a few minutes just to brown the top. So let's serve some on our plate here. And now it's time for a bite, and we're going to get some of that crumb topping. Oh, that is really, really good. Perfectly seasoned. You're going to want this side dish on your holiday table. Also, check out this loaded, not mashed cauliflower, it's loaded cauliflower casserole. You're also going to want to make that. So be sure you check that out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.